In today's video, I'm going to show you the radicals in the 4 middle key. And 4 middle key is 4 fundamental key cross. Okay, so you can see number 4 here is a cross. So the radicals here, they all have cross. And I kind of divided them to vertical cross and horizontal cross, and the last one exceptions. Let's begin with the first one. Here you can see the cross in the middle, so if you would like to type this character, you begin with 8-1 person, 1 horizontal, 8-1. 8-1 is at 8 upper. Okay, continue. We have 4 cross here, so we hit 4 middle. Alright, and next one, this is square 0, so we hit 0 middle and space. First one. Okay, and the next two you can see is a hook down here, but this we also call cross. Okay, so like this one is hook here, this is also cross. So this one begins with the 5, so we hit 5 middle, and then cross, so 4 middle and space. First one. Okay, this one with the hook is also cross, so 4 cross, 4 middle, and 6 dot, 6 middle, and space. First one. Alright, the next one, this horizontal goes like little up to the end, goes up, so this is also a 4. Sorry, this is also 1, so we call these cross. This is also cross. Okay, so this is also 5 and 4. 5 middle, 4 middle, space, and the second one. Alright, the next one, the following you'll see vertical cross. So like this one, double cross in vertical, 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 like this one also, here, here. Okay, so this one, the upper part is 1-8, begins with 1 horizontal, and with person, 1-8 is 1 lower. And then we have this cross, so fundamental key for middle and space. Next one, we have a lid outside, so lid 7, so we hit 7 middle, and cross in the middle, so we hit 4 middle key and space. First one. Continue, we have 3 dots water, so water is 3-8, so we hit 3 lower. And continue in the middle, this is a cross, so we hit 4 middle. And then this is a lid, so 7 middle. And the last one, this is 2-8, so begin with 2 and end with 8. 2-8 is at 2 lower and space. Okay, next one, begin with this 3 vertical, so we hit 3 middle. And the left hand side and right hand side, they are all 4 cross, so we hit 4 middle twice. Okay, so we've done 3 according to the rule, front 3 and rear 1. We go to the rear, the last one, 8-1. 8-1 is at 8 upper and space. Alright, next one, we have this grass cross. This one will also explain here. Okay, so, but right now I'm explaining this 4 cross right here. Okay, so begin with 4, so we hit 4 middle. And this one is a little tricky because this one, according to the stroke, you can see it goes like this. But this is also 4 cross, so we hit on 4 middle. And then we have 8, so we hit 8 middle. And we've done 3. We go to the last one, which is 0, 1 square and 1 horizontal. 0, 1 is at 0 upper and space. Alright, the next one is a hook here, but in the middle, this one is a vertical crust, so this is also a 4 crust. And we type with this, begin with a 5, so we hit 5 middle. And the middle, this one is 4 crust, 4 middle. And here's a 5 again, so we hit 5 middle. And 2 dots on the right hand side is 8, so we hit 8 middle and space. Alright, continue. Grass, like I mentioned here, so grass we hit 4 middle. And 0, 1 is at 0 upper. And last one is 4 cross, just like this one, 4 cross, so we hit 4 middle and space. First one. Okay, double cross at the bottom. You can see the curve here, but this is also a 4 cross. So how do we type this? This one is the upper, the radical is exception, is on the 9 middle. And continue, this is 7 middle. And last one, this is double cross, still 4 middle key. And space, the first one. Alright, so this one, just like this one. Okay, on the right hand side, you can see double cross, little curve here. This is also 4. Okay, so left hand side is this exception on a 5 middle. And continue, 1 horizontal, 1 middle. And last is 4 cross, 4 middle, and space. Okay, so if this double cross in the middle, like this one, this is also cross. Okay, so this one begins with dot 6, end with square, so this is 6, 0. 6, 0 is at 6 upper. Continue, 8, 1, person 1, horizontal, 8, 1 is at 8 upper. And then we have a lid, 7 lid, so 7 middle, and last double cross, 4 middle, space. Alright, next one, even the cross is going out, like this one going out, but it's also 4 cross. Okay, so the lid, 7 middle. In the middle, we have double cross, 4 middle. And this is 3, 3 because 3 is vertical, 3, 3 is at 3 upper, space. Okay, so you can see double. We even have triple or 4 crosses. They are all 4 cross. So because these two characters, we don't use them a lot. If you would like to type these two, you press 4 middle 4 times and space. And you can see the third one and this one. You press 4 middle key 4 times and space the fourth one. Alright, continue. These you can see they are not cross, but we call them exceptions. Some people write them like cross. People can still recognize, but strictly they are not cross like the grass here. Okay, I'll show you how. So these are exceptions. They also belong to for middle. Okay, so when you see this, you hit 4 middle. As long as you remember, these are exceptions. And continue, we have 9, 5. 9 here and 5 right here. So 9, 5 is a 9 middle. And square inside, 0 middle. And right hand side, this is 9, 8 because it begins with 9 and ends with 8. 9, 8 is a 9 lower and space. Next one begin with 4 cross, exception 4 cross. And we have, this is square and 8, so 0, 8. This is also exception because this looks like 4 in Chinese character. 0, 8 is at 0 lower. And continue, here we have a 7 lit, so 7 middle. And last one, last radical is 7, 6 lit and dot 6. 7, 6 is at 7 lower space. Next one still 4 middle, and you can see next one is person on the side, person 8 middle, and the next radical is 6 1 because it begins with dot 6 and with 1 horizontal. 6 1 is at 6 upper. And the last one you can see beginning with 9 here and end with 1, so this radical is 9 1. 9 1 is at 9 upper space. Next, still exception cross, so 4 middle, and we have 2 squares, so we hit square middle, 0 middle twice. And we've done 3. We go to the last one here with the hook as 2 fundamental key, 2 middle space. Alright, next one begin with 9, so we hit 9 middle. And then we have 4 8 cross and 8. 4 8 is at 4 lower. Continue right upper. This is the exception cross, like I said. So 4 middle. We've done 3. So we go to the last one. This is a 5 8. 5 here and 8. So 5 8 is at 5 lower and space. Alright, that's all for the radicals and the 4 middle key. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.